Hello, I'm Angela Hartwell and this is Kalkine's Daily Trending News. Australian shares are expected to open lower, with ASX futures down 52 points, 0.7%, likely ending the S&P ASX 200's three-day winning streak. Wall Street tumbled as investors offloaded US equities, driving the S&P 500 into correction territory. The Nasdaq lost 1.7%, with Tesla dropping 5.3% and Meta and Nvidia shedding over 3%. The NYSE FANG Plus index fell 2.2%. The VIX index jumped 5.8% as volatility surged, while gold hit a record $3,030 as investors sought safe havens. Markets await the U.S. Federal Reserve's economic outlook, with traders expecting no change to the federal funds rate. Meanwhile, the Bank of Japan is forecast to hold rates steady. Looking at market highlights, Australian dollar dropped 0.3% to US$63.62 cent. Bitcoin lost 2.3% to $82,076 United States dollars. Dow Jones Industrial fell 0.6%. S&P 500 shed 1.1%. Nasdaq dropped 1.7%. Spot gold added 1.1% to $3,034.25 an ounce. Brent crude lost 0.8% to $70.50 a barrel, while iron ore fell 0.2% to $101.80 a ton. That's the latest from Kalkine's Daily Trending News. I'm Angela Hartwell.